Hi, I'm Jay with Family Handyman, and for the past couple of weeks, I've been playing around with this new drill bit set from DeWalt. It's a 21-piece, titanium-coated pilot point drill bit set, and you know, I really like these bits, but the case kind of stole the show. Their new design for how they holster the bits is fantastic. Super easy to get in, super easy to get out. Plus, they've doubled up on the most losable and breakable drill bit sizes. That's a big bonus. This case itself is part of their new Tough Case Plus system, and it connects to all other Tough Case Plus cases in their product line. One feature I love about these bits is they have a pilot point. So when I am drilling large diameter holes in aluminum or brass, I don't have to drill a pilot hole. This drill bit set is a great value, and I'm really happy I bought it. They work very well in a wide range of materials. Now, one detractor is that they don't cut quite as cleanly as a brad point drill bit. But you know, they're not supposed to. When we need drill bits for fine woodworking, brad point bits are the way to go. So with the extra bits and the larger bits having pilot points on them, and my favorite, this case that works with the entire DeWalt system, these DeWalt 21-piece titanium-coated bit set is Family Handyman approved. For more great products that have been tested and approved, visit FamilyHandyman.com.